Look what I found. What in the world? Good morning from the Amazon. So this is a backyard of our first lodge. We had a good night's rest because it was just so peaceful. Good morning. Today is our second day and we're going on our morning walk. We're seeing different types of plants, which is interesting. So this really huge white plant. Forgot the name of it. But monkeys like to eat it. If they have constipation, they'll eat it, and while they're eating it, they poop. I learned that.
I didn't know that.
And then we saw coca leaves that they use for headaches and for altitude sickness. And then we saw cacao. Is it called cacao? The chocolate one.
Yeah.
So I think today we're gonna do a hike, and if the weather permits, we may go to a hot spring. Okay, so right now we are going to the Hummingbird area. We are at this hummingbird area where they have hummingbirds just flying around. They have like different water stations here, water with sugar to attract the hummingbirds, and they just come and drink. And then they also put out bananas, and we saw a monkey go in and grab a banana. We're leaving the hummingbird station and there was a bunch of bananas and we were able to get some. So let's try it out. Organic. Very nice and sweet. I don't taste any chemicals. Oh, there you see it.
Also, they need to take a shower.
So they've spotted a sloth and we're going to see a sloth. I've never seen a sloth before. We are going to go on a motorboat to get to our next destination. Thank you. Jesus bless me. Oh God. The right pole first. I didn't get the right pole. Here we go. And we're buckling up.
And this part is jogging a little waterfall, and after this river coming from two schools, from a hanako, from the top part of the mountain. So the entrance from this part is start this way. Okay?
Somebody's in the Amazon. Swimming in the Amazon. Hey.
Mom, Dad, I'm swimming in the Amazon.
Coming to you live from the Amazon River.
Yes.
I don't know if it's the Amazon River, but we're swimming in the Amazon. But look, the piranhas are biting us right now. We're swimming in the Amazon. And the piranhas are trying to bite us, but we're too fast. There's an anaconda, but we're too fast.
So we just got off the boat. Now we're gonna go on a hike to get to our lodge. I'm really excited about our lodge because it's private room, private bath, and there's Wi-Fi. We're walking through the jungle. Look at how pretty it is. This is our second lodge. It's 2 beds. We have mosquito nets. We have light. Very spacious. And then we have a restroom. So that's Daryl's bed. And he had to check all around it for bugs. And what did you find?
A huge bug underneath the sheets. Scary stuff.
Oh, this is my bed that I'm sleeping on tonight. And look what I found. What in the world? Oh my God. Oh Lord. What the hell? We just got done swimming down the Amazon River and hanging out there for a little bit. And we got into our second lodge, showered. We feel a little clean, but Daryl and I came to the conclusion that this is not our lifestyle. We like the finer things in life. Yeah. So far, we've been in the room for less than 2 hours, and we found 4 bugs. And it's hot. Okay, so we went through the jungle, and now we're gonna ride on a mini boat.
Yes, this is like old school logs floating boat. So we're gonna be going through the swamp area. So hopefully we stay afloat.
Try to sit, try to give balance to the boat.
Oh, okay.
Balance. Yeah. Whoa, we're getting lower and lower here.
Exciting.
No. Are there piranhas in here?
Yeah,
Anaconda?
anaconda. Sorry.
No. Really? Wow.
Alright, look, we out here, alright? We are out in the Amazon right now, walking back to the boat. There's a bunch of rocks out here because you know what? The water used to come all the way up to the forest area that we just came out of back there. But you know what? We made it out. We get into the boat right now. I'm getting back to the lodge. Just like that.
Alright, time to talk, guys. Time to talk.
Ooh. I don't know, but we're going down. Ooh.
Try to catch me. He's trying to catch me, yeah.
Almost.
Oh, look, the bullet, and we try to kill it.
Fight.
Oh my goodness.
No.
Oh god.
Oh.
This one, toxic. Have a little spines, eh? Look,
What happens if you touch it?
it's, your hand is start to swell.
Oh.
Big one, you feel a painful.
I don't know they were.
Not for kill you, but they're really strong. Different colors. Flying with the predator. Now it's a good predator, eh? More bigger of the spider. The predator is tiny.
I don't understand.
And look, the prey is very big.
Like,
And the predator,
I'm
look
gonna wait
guys.
till you're dead because I'm not gonna try to go after you. Oh my gosh,
Four.
it's light.
Keep it going. 5.
As in light affects more.
Yeah.
You know, she's just laughing there.
6, 7, 8.
Oh, a lot of, but you know what? It's trying to attack. Look, man.
Oh, yeah.
5 or more.
The one.
Now it's broken, the net maybe, eh?
It's got the one.
Yeah. Maybe it's going up or continue. We're feeding the spider, eh?
0 to whatever that is.
Gotta call a friend.
Yeah, we're feeding the spider right now. More. Here.
Oh, is
Go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like egg.
Oh my goodness. A lot. The spider have very good luck today, eh? Good buffet for the spiders. Wow.
I'm not taking very long now. Wrap that one up.
Go. Another one.
The end of day 2 from the Amazon. We survived. We have 2 more days. We just put the mosquito net on our beds. Hopefully there's no bugs in there. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow morning. We need to wake up early. We need to wake up at 4:40 because we're gonna go on a boat ride, go on a hike, and then see the sunrise. We'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully we'll make it alive.
Give me this message. Sand hill.
Yes, we want to go home. We're not meant for this.